finally the bike is ready. So the first thing I installed was these sliders. Pretty easy, straightforward. Then I think I showed in the other video, these are the BarkBusters which came after the mount, and quite a lot of things. You can see these easy mount panniers, carrier. And then these pannier mounts, 15-liter top bags. I haven't actually fitted it properly, so that's how it shows up. The top bag has got a fuel cell. It's a 6-liter fuel cell. So if you're going on a trip where there may be challenge with the fuel, you can take them. This is the second pannier. Again with the top box. The most exciting part, and of course the rear sliders that I installed. The most exciting part was to fit these tank bags, tank guard that I did myself. This one, Touratech. It was quite fun. I had to remove the fairing and the entire thing, the top of tank. I had to remove all this to gain access and install a plate right there. And then, of course, the fun part was also installing, these engine guards. All in all, I think happy with what I've been able to accomplish. Bike seems ready now. The next phase of install is going to be Denali. So I'm waiting for the Denali shipments. So D7, D4s, sound bomb, easy can. Quite a lot of stuff to happen. So keep watching this space. Take some more time.